Welcome to HobbyKidsTV!
HobbyKidsTV!
We're gonna go Galaxy Squad crazy! Cool! Yeah, and we're gonna build all these cool bugs. I could just eat these up. Me too. Ooh, grape. We're gonna do set 70703 for ages 8 for 14. 311 pieces. Star Slicer. It's a giant praying mantis. Let's take a look at the back of the box. It comes with a space rubber with a detachable flyer. The mantis shoots a poison ball. It also has an egg sac. Ew. It comes with 3 minifigs. Galaxy. 1, 2, 3. Way bags and stickers. There's a sports stinger. It's kit number 70702 for ages 8 through 14. 310 pieces. Comes with 3 minifigs of mine. It looks like a giant, scary mosquito. Let's take a look at the back of the box. It shoots some poison ball and has an egg sac. Ew! That sounds disgusting. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces. And stickers. This is the Hive Crawler, 560 pieces. It's a big beetle walker. It comes with 3 minifigs. Yeah, let's take a look at the back of the box. It has 2 rotating blasters. It has a flare that attaches to 2 places. The crawler could roll and shoots egg sacs. Ew, I'm gonna puke. And it comes with stickers and 2 instruction books and a really awesome handbook. And last we have the Space Warmer. This kit's 70700 for ages 7 for 14. It's 86 pieces. It's a beetle flyer with a gross mouth and a cool, awesome robot. It comes with 2 minifigs. Two bags, and it comes with small stickers and probably instructions though. Let's open all these up and get to building. Yeah, and let's have fun. This is the kids all put together. We have Hobby Baby as Bumblebee. Which one's your favorite, HobbyFrog? My favorite bug is the beetle. My favorite is the praying mantis. I put together the praying mantis. I put together the mosquito. And I put together the beetle. Let's take a look at the praying mantis set. This is a space buggy. It can turn into a spaceship. Check out the blasters on the spaceship. The buggy driver also has 2 cool blasters. The back of the spaceship is a rocket launcher and a robot. The praying mantis has this cool egg that attaches to the back of his butt, abdomen, and even has these cool things that can move. Here's the minifig that comes with the set. Ooh, he's a red bug guy. I think he's a praying mantis. There's a blue buggy driver and a blue droid. His mouth shoots a poison ball. I'm gonna put the robot inside the butt egg. See? He turned to a bug. Bugs. Here we have the mosquito. Here's the mosquito pilot. Here's the main flip that comes with the set. This mosquito has claws and wings. He looks disgusting and kind of gross. Here's the bug exterminator and his android. Here's the mosquito egg. It can turn to an alien. It turned to an alien. His tail shoots a ball. Here's the exterminator's side. The android has 2 sonic blades and a jetpack. Ew, buggy. That's kind of disgusting. Woo. Here's the flying beetle and android. This bug's got a scary mouth that can eat. This bug has 4 wings. Here are the minifigs that comes set. This android is super cool. He has an awesome rocket launcher and a cool jetpack. See? Watch this. Here's the pilot of the bug. It's the same one that came to Praying Mantis, but it's green. He comes with a blaster. Let's take a look at the giant beetle. These blasters rotate. I love how his legs move. So creepy. Creepy bugs. Let's look at the pilot. It's the same one that came to Praying Mantis, but it's green. In the back, there are these bug eggs. Ow, hey. Let's see what's inside these eggs. Pow. Ew, they're like little baby flies. This is a really cool flyer. This set comes with an awesome exterminator flyer with pilot and android. The back detaches, so the android can have the flyer too. Which one is your favorite?